Hey Glow Gang, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying some new products on my hair. I'm going to section off my hair for the first flat twist. Now that I have my first section ready, I'm going to go in with the Uncle Funky's Daughter Thirsty Curls Leave-In Curl Revitalizer. This is supposed to moisturize and define. It's free from mineral oils, parabens, sulfates, and synthetic dyes. All of their products are all natural, and when I work this into my hair, it kind of foams up, which is kind of cool. It's definitely moisturizing, and I could see my coils coming through. Next is the Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream. It's supposed to hydrate, detangle, define, and add moisture. This is a very nice cream with a good amount of slip, but I know for sure that my hair is a big fan of thick butters. So when I applied this to my hair, I was surprised at how soft it made my hair. Now I'm going in with one of my new favorites. This is the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. It claims to tame frizz, define, and elongate and nourish. I love the consistency. It kind of reminds me of homemade flaxseed gel. As soon as I pumped this into my hand, I knew for a fact that I was going to love this. One of the main ingredients is aloe vera, and it has crazy slip. Now I'm going to flat twist my hair, detangle as I go, and secure the ends with a perm rod. I'm going to follow these steps all over my head. I'm going in with my Cleopatra's Kiss Highlighting Palette sent to me by Sleek Cosmetics. I'm taking the gold color to highlight. It's the next day, my hair is 100% dry. I have no flakes in my hair, thank God, and my hair is so shiny. I'm always excited to take the first twist down. Like this video if you're the same way. The curl was perfect, y'all. Look at this definition. As I was taking my twist down, I did notice that I had a lot of frizz. My twist outs are normally not this frizzy, and I'm pretty sure it was because of the cream. It happens every time I try to substitute a cream for a butter. Nonetheless, my hair is still very pretty, it's super shiny, and it's very defined, especially at the roots. Now I'm going to fluff my roots, and now I'm going to finesse my alopecia. this is the finished look. If you like this video, thumbs it up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you'll never miss a video. Bye!